In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change home address on Life360 app 2026. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once the app loads and you're on the main screen with the map, just give it a second so everything fully updates. From here, I'm heading down to the bottom of the screen and tapping on the Locations tab. This is where Life360 keeps all of your saved places, like home, work, or any other custom locations you've added before. Once I'm inside the Locations tab, I'm going to scroll down slowly. Keep scrolling until you see the section that says Manage Places. This is where you can view and edit all the saved locations tied to your account and your circles. When you see Manage Places, go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of your saved places, and one of those should be your home address. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple places saved. Next, I'm going to tap directly on the home address. This opens the edit screen for that location. From here, Life360 allows you to update or change where your home is set on the map. You'll see your current home address displayed on the screen. To change it, simply tap on the address itself. Once you tap it, you'll be able to adjust or update the address to your correct home location. You can type in a new address or select the correct spot on the map, depending on what the app shows you. Take your time here to make sure the address is accurate. This is important because Life360 uses your home location for notifications, place alerts, and arrival or departure updates for your circle members. Once you've selected or entered the correct home address, the app will automatically save the change. There's no separate save button you need to tap. As soon as you back out of this screen, your new home address is already set. After that, you can tap back to return to the Manage Places screen or go back to the main map view. You should now see your updated home location reflected in the app. Any circle members you're connected with will now see the updated home address as well, and future notifications will be based on this new location instead of the old one. If you ever move again or need to update your home address in the future, you can repeat this same process anytime. Just go back to the Locations tab, open Manage Places, tap on Home, and make your changes. So just to quickly walk through what we did in real time, you opened the Life360 app, went to the Locations tab at the bottom, scrolled down to Manage Places, tapped on your home address, and then updated the address by tapping on it and changing it. And that's it. That's how you change your home address on the Life360 app in 2026 using your iPhone.